What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Arrma Mojave Grom brushless 222S. Now I see, the thing got used again. And as you can see, this thing is really covered in grass. I mean, look at this. I mean, all around us, like, look at this. It's saying it's really, really covered in grass, my opinion. Now, you can tell this thing's been getting used almost quite a bit because, like I said, this machine's going to keep getting used almost like every single time this machine's like you can see. Now you can tell this motor is really hot. And this is a brushless motor, not a brush motor like some of them you can see. But this is a very nice looking machine, in my opinion. I do like this thing, as you can see, because you see how much space better this machine's been used almost like quite a bit of times. But you see how much better this machine's been used almost like, I don't know, every time this machine's been used. I mean, look at this. I mean, you can see this thing's really covered in grass, like completely just covered in grass, my opinion. But it's okay. I just blow off my hand, as you can see. But as you can see, the whole car, as you can see, it's covered in grass, my opinion. But you see how much it expected this seems like, which is not a very bad idea, in my opinion. But as you can tell, it's definitely going to get used almost quite a bit because you see how much I expected this thing. And what I expected this thing to be used almost quite a bit. I mean, surprisingly, when you see how much. Because if you could tell this thing's been used almost like quite a bit because you see how much expected this machine's like, because you should get this thing exactly. I mean, it's a little small, but it's actually a good size for my game because you see how much expected this thing's like, which definitely looks pretty nice. Like me, I hope we can get this grass off of this thing exactly, which it's definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, which is definitely how much I expected on this machine. But don't surprise this is this really nice looking machine, in my opinion. So let's specific. This thing will get used again as we get it again, and this is a very nice looking machine.